Manage risks and issues proactively to minimize their impact on the project. This phase allows for adjustments to be made if things are veering off course. Finally, there's the closing phase. This is where the project is finalized and delivered. It's also the time to reflect on what worked, what didn't, and how things can be improved for future projects. This phase formally completes the project and ensure all deliverables are met. It is important to conduct a lessons learned review to identify areas for improvement and document them for future projects. In summary, project management is a delicate dance of defining, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing. It's about ensuring that everything runs smoothly, from the initial idea to the final delivery. And while each project may be unique, these key principles remain the same, providing a reliable roadmap for success. Improve project success rates through structured planning and execution. Enhance communication and collaboration within the project team. Increased efficiency and resource utilization. Reduced risk and improved project control. Consistent quality and project deliverables. Remember, these are just some of the relevant ISO standards and principles that can be applied to project management. It's important to select and adapt these guidelines to your specific needs and context, ensuring optimal project execution and success.